the Honeywell 21-inch Tabletop Water Cooler Dispenser. After extensive research, we found the Honeywell 21-inch Tabletop Water Cooler Dispenser to be the worst Honeywell water cooler on the market. At first, this may not seem like a particularly bad option, but when you consider its price compared with its features, it becomes clear that there are other options available on the market from this brand which are better options overall. One of the worst features of this water cooler is the fact that it has a top-loaded bottle, which is an unpleasant feature for many people. The benefit is, however, that the top compartment features a built-in filtration system. Still, overall, this appears that the quality of this water cooler does not particularly match up well with the others that we've included in this review. The fact that a tank needs to be frequently refilled may also be a disadvantage for many people.